What's going on here?
Your friend here hit us in the head.
You're me?
He hit me right in the appendix. I'm dying.
It was an accident. I swear. We're just trying to skip some rocks.
How do you miss by that much?
He did nothing wrong. Let us go.
No. We're gonna kill you. We won't rest until we have his head. We'll discuss what to do with you next.
Andrew, wake up! They're trying to kill you!
What?
Come. Have a seat, my boy.
Magic Tony, I messed up. I was just trying to skip some rocks, and I hurt some people. I got me and my friend captured. Don't know what to do.
Oh, don't worry, my boy. Everything is gonna be okay. Just call my name and I shall be there.
Okay, I will. Magic Tony.
You gotta figure things out.
Yeah, the chip lab.
Magic Tony! You actually came to help!
Well, of course,
What?
young one.
We need help. We're tied up.
I've brought you a gift.
A gift?
Yes.
What is it?
It's a magic rock.
Of course! A magic rock! We need to come up with a plan and then
What the? He's awake!
Let's get him! Hey, who are you talking to, Pop Rocks?
we got into this, and I need you to help.
Get him!
Oh!
Let's get out of here.
Yeah.
I think we're safe now.
Yes.
Magic Tony! You saved us!
What?
Oh, no, my boy. You see, there is no such thing as magic rocks. The magic is within you. I have done nothing. Yes.
It's within me. What are you talking about? It's what he said.
Magic Tony? He was right there.
Are you okay?
I swear.
Wanna go skip some rocks?
Sure.